Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys are gonna try to guess what are inside these Despicable Me 4 things. I'll read you all the characters. Just to let you guys know, I am doing a huge behind the scenes video series of like where I record at and what I do. Let's get it. Look how cute this is. Look, Dogmon. Okay, here are all the characters. Okay, let me open this up. And you can also buy these at Walmart for only $2. Okay, let's look. Okay, we have Mega Jerry, Mega Mel. We have Mega Tim, Avial Phil, Party Festa Phil, Mega Dave, Mega Gus, Avial Carl, Party Festa Effect Jerry, Bit Crew Ron. Alrighty. So it's two of these guys. I'll show you guys again. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. You guys will see the answer on the next slide. Okay, let's see who this one is. He's breaking out. He's punching it. Oh, let's see. Drum roll. And it is Mega Mel for the first one. This one I got from yesterday. And I took the tag off. And this is what he looks like on the paper. That's him right there, Mega Mel. Next one. Our next one is, let's see. Ooh, he's punching it hard, bang it. Oh, I hear him. No, you guys hear him punching? Alrighty, let's yell, oh, minion! Let me hear you guys say it. Good job. Alrighty, he's coming out. And it is Party Jerry. I just got this today. Party Jerry. I'm also going to take this tag off too. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to buy these things if you want to buy these, they're at Walmart for only $2. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time. Bye!